Tunis Village in Fayoum is not just a place, but a masterpiece painted by nature and colored by the hands of artisans. Nestled on the shores of Lake Qarun, it offers a rare view where desert, mountains, and the lake's blue waters merge into one breathtaking scene, drawing visitors from all around the globe. The village's fame began in the 1970s when the Swiss artist Evelyne Porret settled there and founded a pottery school for children and youth. Over time, Tunis grew into an international hub of pottery making, where tourists come to acquire unique handmade pieces that embody the spirit of the land. Each creation tells a story of heritage, tradition, and authentic Egyptian craftsmanship, but pottery is not the only charm Tunis has to offer. Its picturesque nature makes it a sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. Whitewashed houses with arched roofs, the fresh air, and the sounds of birds create a poetic atmosphere. Wandering through its narrow streets, you'll discover workshops and galleries, alive with creativity and artistic energy. Tourism in Tunis is a complete experience. Visitors can walk across green fields, join pottery workshops, or enjoy the annual Pottery Festival that brings together artists from all over the world. The village also provides cozy guest houses that reflect rural traditions and offer warm hospitality, allowing visitors to feel at home among locals. Tunis is more than just a tourist village. It is living proof of how art can transform a place into a global destination. It is where nature and creativity unite, making it one of Fayoum's treasures and one of Egypt's most inspiring hidden gems.